Hello and welcome to Long Saskatchewan office. Today is our early bird raffle draws for our Breathe and Win Raffle. Thank you to everyone who has bought already, whether it was through our 1-800 raffle hotline, mailing in your information, or just purchasing online at breatheandwin.ca, or from one of our amazing raffle callers that reached out to you for the last couple weeks. Today we have Mary, one of those awesome raffle callers that has probably reached out to you. Mary's been one of our callers for about 7 years now. She's the friendly voice that you get on the other line. So she's going to help me today with the draws. Today also our current 50-50 is at $81,940. So get your tickets at breatheandwin.ca. I'd also like to thank all our Breathe and Win sponsors today, including CAA Saskatchewan West World Tours. They're sponsoring our Toronto Blue Jays trip to Seattle in July 2024 to watch the Mariners and the Jays play. And another prize we have is the Churchill trip to experience the Great White North. That'll be an amazing week-long trip to Churchill. I'd also like to thank D3H Hotels for their 3-night stay while you watch the Canadian Brier Curling Finals in Regina in March of 2024. So if you haven't got your tickets yet, the deadline to purchase is Friday, December 8th at midnight. You can visit breatheandwin.ca to purchase online or call toll-free in Saskatchewan 1-866-955-6886. So let's get to some fun and make some happy people today. So Mary, give the drum a little roll there and let's pick out some winners.
I shall do that.
First prize will be our Ryder gift package. Oh. All right. All right, we want to make sure everybody gets in there. Okay, give her another roll. Perfect. All right, Mary, let's draw the first prize of the Ryder gift package. We're just going to throw these back in there. All right. First prize is the Ryder gift package.
Well,
ticket number is 004724.
Can you read that again for me?
004724.
Dillon and Pauline from Shaunavon.
Congratulations to Dillon and Pauline from Shaunavon, Saskatchewan. So they'll go back into the draw, and our next draw will be for the Ultimate Pizza Party. So Trail Appliance, thank you for donating a pizza stone and a rack and a 10-piece knife set with a block. So thank you, Trail Appliance, for that. We also in this package have a bread maker and a grocery gift card and a bread making cookbook. So it'll be a great time to make some pizzas. All right, Mary, let's draw that winner. All right, winning ticket is 005887.
That is Harold and Carleen from Humboldt.
Oh, congratulations. You won a pizza gift package from Humboldt. They'll go back in. Third prize is Cirque Soleil tickets to performance in Regina or Saskatoon. So you'll get 2 tickets for that. right. Oh. All right, the winning ticket for the Soleil tickets is 005289.
That is Arlene Genger from Watrous.
Congrats to Arlene from Watrous. You've won Cirque Soleil tickets. Okay, so she'll go back in the draw as well. And our last draw will be for 2 tickets to the 2024 Lung Saskatchewan Cabaret here in Saskatoon at the Prairie-Land. So if you haven't got your tickets yet, they'll be going on sale very shortly. It'll be a great night out with lots of entertainment, some great food. So watch for your emails to get your tickets for that. All right, Mary, make the last draw.
Okay.
So this is for 2 tickets to Lung Saskatchewan Cabaret night. The winning ticket is 003684.
That is Blair Crowley from Tisdale.
Oh, congrats to Blair from Tisdale. You won 2 tickets to our Lung Saskatchewan Cabaret. So congratulations to all our winners. If you haven't got your tickets yet, the deadline to purchase is Friday, December 8th at midnight, and tickets start at just $30. To win one of our prizes, including a trip to Seattle to see the Jays and Mariners play, our Sweepers Dream Package to watch the Carleen finals, the Briar in Regina with hotel stay and some spending cash. And we also have trips to Churchill and a cruise to Coco Cay and 5 draws of $1,000. So you can visit breatheandwin.ca to purchase online, or you can call our toll-free number 1-866-955-6886. And our main prize happen on Friday, December 15th. So we will see you then. Thank you, everybody. Have a great weekend.